Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on the 2010 Hyundai Santa Fe. What I'm going to show you is something that I do so I don't lose the memory on the radio presets. Usually what I'll do is I'll take a battery jump start box and I'll plug it into the accessory port inside the vehicle, and by doing that now it'll keep power to the radio and the clock, and it won't erase the memory. So let me show you what to do next. What we do is go underneath the hood, take off the cover for the positive part of the battery. It covers up the terminal end. You just squeeze these pins together and it comes right out. Now what we're going to do is we're going to remove the cables. I just loosen everything up. Now when you have the battery box connected inside, it'll keep the memory, and you won't lose the memory in the radio. All right. What we're going to remove this hold down right here that holds the battery in place. Once you break it loose, you can just turn it out by hand. You don't need a ratchet. And we'll take out the bolt. And we're going to also take out that bracket, just so we don't lose it. Alright, then what we're going to do is you just pull off your cables. Take your negative cable off first. Reposition that out of the way. Take your positive cable off. Remember, be careful when you put this down because we have the battery box connected up to it inside. We're going to take this cover here off, and then we're going to remove the battery. Install the replacement. These replacements come with covers on them. I'll get them out of the way. And we're going to replace the shield that was on the battery. Push it into position. Reconnect your cable, your positive cable. Reconnect your negative cable. You can tighten them up. Same thing on this one, just tighten this one up. You don't want to go too tight and snap them. Make sure they're tightened up all the way. And then you can reinstall the hold down that we took out. Put that back down there. Line it up, and we'll put the bolt back in where it came from. You don't want to drop it, be careful with it. If you drop it, you're going to have a problem. And you just screw it back in. And you can just tighten it up. tight. We're going to put our top back on the battery, snap it in, and that's it. You're all set. And if you did it correctly, you should come back inside the vehicle and you'll still find that the clock is still set and the radio will also be set. And that's it. You're all done. Shut the key off, unplug all your connectors, and it starts right up. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.